Hi, in this video, I would like to talk a little bit about steering in Train Mechanics Simulator VR and the basic mechanics of the game. So let's hop into a new game. So at the beginning, we spawn in the diesel workshop. This is the base steering for the game. So the selection occurs when we press the A button on the right controller, and we can also activate or deactivate the pointer by putting or lifting the finger of the A button. If we press Start button on the left controller, we can open our left-hand menu where we can do many things like opening the job order sheet, closing it, showing or hiding steering, and so on. In order to turn around, we have to tilt our right joystick right or left. And in order to teleport, we have to put our finger on the right joystick to show the teleporting pointer and press the joystick to teleport. So our first task after appearing in the garage is to go to the job desk order and select it. So here we have our list of work orders where we can choose our orders. Let's accept the first order. So as we can see, the train is appearing. And here we have the description of the order and parts that we have to test and exchange. In order to work on a part of the train, we have to press on it with our A button, and then we enter our edit mode. After pressing the start button on the left controller, you can see that we are in edit mode, and we have many different options that we can choose from. First, let's go to our testing mode. Testing mode allows us to check the condition of parts by holding the A button on the right controller. We can test the part and see if it's damaged or not. So as we can see, when we go to the job order sheet, we've checked both parts that were damaged. Right now, we have to disassemble them. So we open our start menu with the left start button, go into disassembly mode. By pressing the damaged part we selected, and by pressing it again, we can disassemble it. Unscrewing the screws is done by holding the A button over the screws. And just like that, the two parts are disassembled. Right now, we can either try and go to the repair desks. One thing that we have to remember of is that when we are in edit mode, we cannot go to any of the repair desks. We have to exit the edit mode by pressing exit mode on the left-hand menu. And right now we can interact with the repair desks. So after opening the repair desk, we press repair. Yes. And the part is repaired. After having our both damaged part repaired, we can go back to the train, enter edit mode by pressing on the wheels area, and enter installation mode by choosing it on the left-hand menu. So right now, we have to choose this ghost part, choose the part that has been repaired, screw in the screws. Same thing with the other part. And right now, if we go to the job order sheet, we can see that the order has been finished. So we press finish order, the train leaves, and we get our money. Right now, we can go back to the desk and accept another order. So again, the train arrives. We now see that we have 3 parts and that they're probably located in the front track. So we go back to the front part of the train. We enter edit mode. We check for any damaged parts. Then we enter testing mode. Test all the parts that seem to be damaged. When we go to the job order sheet, we see that we've found all 3 parts. So now we have to disassemble them. This part is obstructing the way, so we have to disassemble it first. We unscrew all the screws. So right now we want to repair those parts. So we first have to exit edit mode. We repair the parts that can be repaired at this desk. This part is actually even more damaged, so we'll have to buy a new one. We go to another workbench to repair the part that we couldn't have repaired in the previous one. Yes. Okay, so our parts brake caliper and hydraulic brake piston are still damaged and we can't repair them anymore. So we have to open our left-hand menu, go to tablet. Now go to mechanical parts. And we buy the parts. Now if we go to parts warehouse, we can check if we have the right parts. So in date, we have all parts repaired. So we go back to the front track, enter edit mode, and we can install those parts. After installing all the parts, we can finish the job order and get our money. In this game, we can also ride trains. In order to ride a train, we have to exit the garage through the main door. So in the train, we can open our map to see where we are driving. In order to start driving, we have to select this lever and pull it towards us. Here we have our navigation information, and our track on the map is highlighted in orange. Right now, if we want to go left here, we have to choose that switch and press on the yellow button. And as we can see, we are turning left. In order to full stop or just brake a little, we have to use the dynamic braking lever and hold it until we stop. We can also go backwards by turning this lever to the left and adding throttle to the train. In order to get back to the garage, we have to press the left start button and choose yes. If we want to open the pause menu, we have to click the start button on the left controller, then go to exit to menu. And here we can enter options, where we can change our general options like textures, shadows, or language. And also the position in which we want to play the game, either sitting or standing. And here we can also change the sounds. After changing all the settings that you wanted to, press save and continue. To exit to main menu, you have to open the left-hand menu by pressing the left start button, pressing exit to menu, and then exit to main menu. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask them on Steam. Bye.